I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus NotebookLM. Notion serves as a versatile workspace, perfect for organizing notes, tasks, and projects, offering a highly customizable environment. In contrast, NotebookLM is an innovative AI-powered research assistant, specifically designed to help you synthesize information from your uploaded sources. We will explore their core functionalities and ideal applications to help you decide which tool best suits your needs for productivity and information management. Notion provides robust features like databases, wikis, and collaborative documents, allowing for structured information management and team-wide project tracking. It boasts over 50 distinct block types for diverse content creation. NotebookLM, however, excels at summarizing, generating insightful questions, and identifying key themes from your documents. It can efficiently process hundreds of thousands of words, offering deep analytical capabilities for extensive research materials. Notion is an excellent choice for team collaboration, personal organization, and building interconnected knowledge bases, making it a favorite among project managers for task and deadline tracking. Conversely, NotebookLM is perfectly suited for researchers, students, and anyone needing to quickly extract critical insights from source materials. Academics, for instance, find it invaluable for conducting thorough literature reviews and synthesizing complex research papers with ease. Notion offers a generous free personal plan and various paid tiers tailored for teams, providing advanced features for growing organizations. NotebookLM is currently available for free, often as an experimental Google product, making it highly accessible. Both platforms are readily available via web browsers, with Notion also providing dedicated desktop and mobile applications. Consider your specific requirements for collaboration and AI-driven insights when making your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.